Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, San Carlos, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our local professional movers in the Bay Area will help make your long-distance move so much simpler. Our San Carlos movers assist you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,500 miles. With us, you get all the right long-distance moving services like insurance, storage, and packing services to make moving so much simpler. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers many other reliable moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be easy to justify the cost of getting a full-service moving company in San Carlos, California. A local moving company in San Carlos supplies many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. You get the advantage of saving time on your local move, which can make it well worth it. It will also prevent you from needing to take care of the heavy lifting. Our team of experienced San Carlos movers will definitely ensure your move is really efficient. With a San Carlos local moving company in the Bay Area, such as 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. It doesn't matter how big your move is, we can easily get it done quickly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Carlos moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.